Ladies and gentlemen, swamp water jungle juice! All my boys out there in the swamp, what's up? Okay, lime slices, lemon slices, apple slices. Isn't it a show called Swamp People or Swamp Things? No, Swamp People. Strawberry slices, but dudes out there who like wrangling alligators or something like that. Come behind that with some tequila. Okay. Some sour apple pucker. Guys, it's real swamp life going on here. Some melon liqueur. Blue curaçao. Sweet and sour. It's a delicious drink. I love the color on this, and then a little bit of lemon lime soda. This is a really cool, really pretty mix. Okay? Loving it. Give that a nice little stir. Turn that bad boy on. Welcome to the swamp, people. Well, oh, maybe it's called Swamp People. I don't know. Anyway, stay tipsy.